perhaps.
It looks sick.
Yeah, emaciated.
And look, most people prefer bodies that are smaller and slimmer. That's just a statistical fact. But even more people prefer fit bodies for themselves and definitely for other people. So if you resistance train when you're losing weight, and yes, this is a message to almost all modern women that are in their 40s and 50s, get in the weight room, lift weights hard, get a good personal trainer, download the RP hypertrophy app, link in bio. What? Did I just say something? And while you clean up your diet, while you lose fat, what you can do is see a completely transformative effect. And no, you will not turn into Arnold Schwarzenegger by accident overnight. I mean, I used to be biologically female and 120 pounds body weight yesterday. And it took one day for me to do this.
Dude, that's my favorite psyop is the one that women give to themselves, which is, if I lift weights, I will become too jacked. Meanwhile, those of us that have desperately been lifting weights for approaching 2 decades now, in the hopes that one day I might look remotely like I do.
Someone will be able to tell I work out at the store.